How to get the Shattered Gold on M15 Mod 0 in Black Ops 7. Hey everybody and welcome back. In order to get that particular weapon's Shattered Gold version, you must first complete its specific military camos and then its 3 special camos, and then only you will be getting the Shattered Gold section. So for that, once you select up your weapon, you can go over and go to the customize section and go to the camo section, and you can directly look out there what challenges you need to complete up to go to the shadow goal section. So we start with military in special and then the mastery. So you need to first of all complete military each one by one, and similarly special each one by one, and you will be unlocking the mastery where you will be getting the shadow goal. So you can complete up the military camos. For that, you need to go over and get 80 headshots. So first we have this one right here. You need to get 80 headshots. You can just go over and complete it up. You can maximize kill opportunities. And once you reach 80 headshots, the M15 Mod 0 military camo chain is complete. And after completing that camo, you will be unlocking the special camo challenges for M15 Mod 0. So there are diamond pack. You need to get 50 kills while moving with M15 Mod 0. You can just go over and stay, use run and console, best in modes with frequent spawns and fast fights, and you should be able to do it. Similarly, we have Raptor, the second option, where you need to get 30 objective kills with M15 Mod 0, that is killing during the objective plays. And you can take part in objective mode, where objective kills count and play for the objectives, not just for the kills. And on the third, we have mainframe. You need to equip an under barrel launcher to your M15 Mod 0 and get 20 total kills. And just go over and do so. And when all the 3 special camo challenges are completed, the special camo set for M15 Mod 0 is done. And on the final step, you can unlock the Shattered Gold. You need to get 3 kills without dying in a single life, and do that 10 separate times with M15 Mod 0 in multiplayer. And once you complete those 10 such 3 kill lives, Shattered Gold is awarded for the weapon instantly, and you can just go over and do so, and your M15 Mod 0 will get the Shattered Gold that you're looking for. And that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. You may follow the steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.